Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Zod. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Zod. In our last video, we covered the letter Swad. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Zod is from the same category that we did in the previous class. Just have one dot after the same symbol. If we add one dot after, it will be changed to Zod. Then the writing, the connection, the scripting, everything is the same. Initial style is this one, and middle part is coming like this. Final join is this one, final join is this one. In a word, like for example, we have zamanat. Zamanat. Zamanat means warranty or guarantee. Zamanat. Look, the pronunciation is Z, like Z. In Pashto language, all the time, Zod pronunciation is like Z. Some people pronouncing like Khodad or Dad, like Khodad. But like in pronunciations, in right in speaking, pronouncing as a Zod, like Z, Zamanat, not of Zamanat, We say Zamanat. By this reason, in a word, like in alphabet also you pronounce like Zod. In Arabic language, like the pronouncing of Dot, but in Pashto pronouncing Zod, like the sound also giving this sound Zod. Yeah, the monad warranty. دغه موبایل یو کال ضمانت لري. دغه موبایل یو کال ضمانت لري. This phone has 1 year guarantee. دغه means this. Mobile phone you call you one call year ضمانت guarantee لري has. دغه موبایل یو کال ضمانت لري. This phone has 1 year guarantee. For another sentence, like for example, we have زه د خپل کار ضمانت درکوم. زه د خپل کار ضمانت درکوم. I guarantee my work. For example, when you want to say to someone, like for example, promise someone that I do good works and this and that works. Like you saying, I guarantee my work. It means like my work is good. I guarantee my work. In Pashto you can say زه د خپل کار ضمانت درکوم. زه means I. د خپل کار my work. ضمانت guarantee درکوم like take give. I give guarantee my work. زه د خپل کار ضمانت درکوم. I guarantee my work. Or we have another sentence. د ضمانت کارت له ځان سره وساته. د ضمانت کارت له ځان سره وساته. It means keep the warranty card with you. د ضمانت کارت warranty card له ځان سره with you وساته keep. د ضمانت کارت له ځان سره وساته. Keep the warranty card with you. استاد د زده کوونکو بریا ضمانت کوي. استاد د زده کوونکو بریا ضمانت کوي. It means the teacher guarantees the student's success. استاد teacher د زده کوونکو د students بریا success ضمانت guarantees کوي means do. استاد د زده کوونکو بریا ضمانت کوي. The teacher guarantees the student's success. قاضي 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 means judge. قاضي پرېکړه وکړه. قاضي پرېکړه وکړه. The judge made a decision. قاضي means judge. پرېکړه decision وکړه like made. قاضي پرېکړه وکړه. The judge made a decision. قاضي means judge. پرېکړه decision وکړه made or do. قاضي دواړه خواوې واورېدلې. قاضي دواړه خواوې واورېدلې. It means the judge listened to both sides. قاضي judge دواړه both خواوې side واورېدلې listened. قاضي دواړه خواوې واورېدلې. The judge listened to both sides. زه قاضي ته شکایت کوم. زه قاضي ته شکایت کوم. It means I will complain to the judge. زه قاضي ته to the judge شکایت complain کوم means do, like well, like we can say, like I'm doing in the future, future helping verb we can say. زه قاضي ته شکایت کوم. I will complain to the judge. ضرور mean necessary. ته باید دا کتاب ولولې. ته باید دا کتاب ولولې. You must read this book. ته means you. باید must. دا this کتاب book ولولې read. ته باید دا کتاب ولولې. You must read this book. مونږ ته ضرور مرسته پکار ده. مونږ ته ضرور مرسته پکار ده. We definitely need help. مونږ ته we to us ضرور definitely or necessary مرسته help پکار ده need. مونږ ته ضرور مرسته پکار ده. We definitely need help or we necessarily need help. ته باید د امتحان لپاره ضروري تیاری وکړې. ته باید د امتحان لپاره ضرور تیاری وکړې. You must prepare well for the exam. ته means you. باید must د امتحان لپاره for the exam ضروري تیاری وکړې. well prepare well. ضرور means we can say like giving in English different meaning. Like definitely, necessarily or well. Both of them we can use ضرور. ته باید د امتحان لپاره ضروري تیاری وکړې. You must prepare well for the exam. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. ضمانت warranty. دغه موبایل یو کال ضمانت لري. دغه موبایل یو کال ضمانت لري. This phone has 1 year guarantee. زه د خپل کار ضمانت درکوم. زه د خپل کار ضمانت درکوم. I guarantee my work. د ضمانت کارت له ځان سره وساته. د ضمانت کارت له ځان سره وساته. Keep the warranty card with you. استاد د زده کوونکو بریا ضمانت کوي. استاد د زده کوونکو بریا ضمانت کوي. The teacher guarantees the student's success. قاضي means judge. قاضي پریکړه وکړه. The judge made a decision. قاضي دواړه خواوې واورېدلې. The judge listened to both sides. زه قاضي ته شکایت کوم. I will complain to the judge. ضرور necessary. ته باید دا کتاب ولولې. You must read this book. مونږ ته ضرور مرسته پکار ده. We definitely need help. ته باید د امتحان لپاره ضروري تیاری وکړې. You must prepare well for the exam. If you would like to learn Pashto Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk Preply. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.